have an application that's using Docker for the development, and I've updated the bin dev file, so whenever I run bin dev, it's going to build my image if it's not already built, and it'll run the Docker compose up to get my application up and running. But one problem with this is that tailing the logs can be quite annoying, especially on larger applications where there's a lot of requests. It can be a bit overwhelming. So in this episode, we're going to be having a look at a gem called Logbench and how we can get it up and running in our Rails application, and also in a Dockerized environment. So as I'm going through making requests, you can see that we get the list of requests on the left, and then on the right, we get the details about that request. So if I were to create a new post and we can create it, you'll see that we got our post. We can go back up and inspect this, and then we can review everything that happened in that one request. And so this can make troubleshooting things much easier. And I really just like the clean interface because it gives the visibility to the things that we care about. And in situations where we want to inspect something, we can inspect that request and only the information relevant to it. And so that's what we're going to be looking at in this episode, is setting up Logbench, but then also setting up our application so that it can work within a Dockerized environment. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftingruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.